guys. At the end of October, I attended the Techcrunch Disrupt event in San Francisco, a renowned tech conference. It serves as a platform for groundbreaking ideas and emerging trends. This year, the event was abuzz with excitement. Artificial intelligence, or AI, dominated conversations and presentations. The atmosphere was electric, filled with the passion of innovators. Startup founders pitched their visions. Investors searched for the next big thing. The diversity of attendees was striking. It reflected the global impact of the ongoing AI revolution. This year's Disrupt highlighted a clear trend. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's being woven into the fabric of products across industries. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming how we live and work. The integration of AI into various products is truly remarkable. However, this rapid progress comes with a caveat. We must be wary of the hype cycle. The term AI is often used loosely, sometimes without substance. Many startups are solving complex problems and pushing boundaries. However, some are branding themselves solely around AI, while their product often boils down to prompt engineering in a box, a thin facade rather than true technological advancement or meaningful differentiation. This trend raises concerns about a potential bubble. The allure of AI is undeniable. Yet it's crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a magic wand. Simply adding AI to a product doesn't guarantee success. Startups must look beyond the AI hype. They need to focus on solving real problems. Think of problem and use AI to solve it. A clear business model is essential from day one. What value does the AI solution bring to customers? How will it generate revenue? Market research is paramount. Understanding the target audience is crucial. Who are the customers and what are their pain points? A deep understanding of the market size is also vital. Is the market large enough to support a sustainable business? Furthermore, startups must be aware of the competition. The AI field is becoming increasingly crowded. What makes your solution stand out? Why should customers choose your product over others? Startups are like roller coasters, thrilling but sometimes scary. Don't just chase the latest AI trends. Instead, identify real problems that your AI expertise can solve. Focus on building solutions that offer tangible value to customers. Develop a robust business model with clear revenue streams. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience and competitive landscape. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but its effectiveness depends on how it's used. By addressing real-world problems, clear business models, and market needs, AI startups can pave the way for a future where AI makes a meaningful impact. Thank you for listening. Follow and subscribe to AI Biz for more insights on AI and startups.